Hello, my name is Muhammad. I am from Ethiopia. I am now on a boba training running tea company. I have learned over 70 different types of drinks and recipes, from jasmine green tea, white peach oolong, black tea and matcha, and all of them super tasty and delicious. Running tea team are super helpful, patient and creative. Those boba drinks are the newest trends, good looking and super delicious, honestly. I recommend it to you to choose Running Tea Team to learn boba tea if you want to open your own unique boba shop. Trust me, you will love it and you will find more than just recipes and friendly faces here. You will discover welcoming haven that will leave like a lasting impression. So this company helped me a lot, and I have all these recipes. This is an amazing recipes. So yeah, I recommend everyone that have seen this message to just come and contact Running Tea Company and do whatever they want to do here. For sure, trust me, you will make a lot of money. Thank you so much, Running Tea Company.